Hey guys, I just came back from a trip to the Magic Kingdom. It was magical, and while we were there, we did the early morning magic. So a lot of people want to know, is early morning magic worth it? What is it? What do you get to ride? So I vlogged our whole early morning magic experience and have put it on here for you to check out. So be sure to watch it through and stay to the end, and I'll give you some pro tips at the very, very end. So see you then. It is, what time? 6:50. It is 6:50 and we are on our way out to meet our minivan. We're all going to the Magic Kingdom for early morning magic. We're very excited right now. Cannot wait. Getting in the minivan. All right, I'll go around this side. Bye, Dallas. Thank you. Bye. Dallas was so nice. Good morning, it is 7:17 and we took the minivan. It took us about 15 minutes to get here and it pulled us right up to the ticketing gate and Magic Kingdom is right back there and we have to wait in line. I'm gonna see when they let us in. I don't know if it'll be 7:30 or 7:45, but we're gonna find out. So we're very excited. Yeah. Okay, it is 7:19 and they are starting to let people in the queuing area. Yay! Yay! Okay, so we're waiting in a line. It's 7:36, so we have 9 official minutes until it opens. 7:44 and we are going in. There it is. Ah! We're here. We're here. We're lost. Here, we're here. There's a castle right up there. That's so exciting. We paused to take some photos. So we did like, wait, focus. We did like 15 minutes of photos and now we are finally getting around. It is 8 o'clock on the dot. Woo! It's 8:01. Way to fact check me, keeping me honest. We can. We called an audible. We're doing poo first because Marcy loves poo. It is okay. We are going on poo. The poo ride was wonderful. Marcy, what are your thoughts? It's amazing. Marcy loves poo. Okay, so that was one ride. It's 8:08. We're gonna ride some more rides now. Okay. Look how empty the park is. I know that I shouldn't marvel at that, but it is super empty. Look at this. We're just walking along.
Doing our thing.
Unencumbered by people. What a beautiful day to be in the happiest place on earth. Peter Pan! Uh-oh, is this where we enter? Thank you.
You're right.
To the right. Peter Pan time. Good morning. We're gonna fly to Neverland. story. That was fun!
Yay!
We flew to Neverland and back, and now it's a small world time. It's a small world time. Woo! Look at this, no line at all. No line at all. We're just walking on. Are you watching us? It's a small world after all.
Is that a frog?
Welcome to this happiest.
Look at the frog.
It's the real frog. That was fun.
Yes.
9 o'clock.
9.
So it's 8:30. We've ridden 3 rides. So now we're going to go to the Big Kahuna, which is Snow White.
Snow White.
Snow White. Park is still empty, which I'm loving. Time for Snow White. Time for Snow White. Snow White. Snow White. This video is just basically gonna be my face doing stupid things like. All right. Here we go. Guys, this is the line. This is it. We're walking right on. I can't even. I can't even with this life. Time check. We've
8:42.
8:42. Let's see what we did. We did Pooh, Peter Pan, Small World, Seven Dwarfs.
Yeah.
And now we are passing Belle's Castle and Gaston's Tavern, and we're heading over to Ariel to ride Ariel. There's her castle-ish thing. Oh, I see. Under the sea. And per the usual, we're walking right on this one. Under the sea. Under the sea. Under the sea. Darling, it's better. Under the sea. Okay, so it's 8:55. We rode. Oh, I gotta do the roll call. Pooh, Peter Pan, Small World, Seven Dwarfs, and Ariel. And we also stopped and took a lot of pictures, so that took some time too. So, we have decided to forego, well, and then the teacups closed down, so what are you gonna do? So we've decided to forego the carousel and wait for Tomorrowland to open. And then we're gonna be the first in line for Space Mountain. Hopefully, if it all goes according to plan. Oh.
Should have known to hold my hand as a leash child.
The crowd started to run. So we started to run. Crowd mentality.
We made
We didn't need to run.
We made it.
Oh. So, it's 9:01. This is the literal line into Space Mountain. Not bad. Okay. In all, we've probably waited 5 minutes so far. So, this is good too. Okay. So, we just did Space Mountain! And it is 9:21, and we are going to go kill evil Emperor Zurg with Buzz Lightyear. Okay. 9:24. The park is open to everyone. However, we've ridden 6 rides already. Are we going to defeat evil Emperor Zurg? Yes, because we're Space Rangers.
Space Rangers.
Thank you. Memers! Marcy! Me! Oh gosh, I'm sorry. No pews here. 9:30, we did Space Mountain and Buzz Lightyear. And now it's time to go get our breakfast. Because breakfast closes in a half hour. So we're gonna head over to Cosmic Race, get some breakfast. Okay. Okay, great. Okay. Alright, so this is what our breakfast looks like. Eggs, sausage, pancakes, bacon, and potatoes. You can get water, coffee, orange juice. And you can go up as many times as you want. We're sitting here, focus, in Cosmic Race. So it turns out that this is unlimited. So we kind of got a little crazy. We each got 2 plates and then like three beverages. But hey, comes with it. What are your thoughts on early morning magic?
Well, I liked it.
You liked it?
Yep, I like being able to get done, ride all the rides and take forever. Quickly walking on the steps.
Is it worth it?
I think it was.
I think it's worth it.
I mean, it wasn't that much for all the things we accomplished and breakfast and
Right.
all that.
Marcy, what did you think of early morning magic?
Oh, it was fantastic.
Worth it? Hashtag worth it? Oh my goodness, that was so much fun. So as promised, here are a few tips about early morning magic that would make the experience even better. Tip 1, as you saw in the video, I would get a minivan. A minivan allows you to drive right up to Magic Kingdom, whereas regular lifts and Disney Transport won't let you go all the way up there. It costs a little extra money, but it saved so much time. I would totally recommend that you do it. The second thing that I would recommend is make sure to get there early. We tried to get there between 7 and 7:15, and I would not have gotten there any later. We did have to wait in line a little bit, but it put us in a good position to get up Main Street at the very beginning. Tip 3 is to go to either Peter Pan or Seven Dwarfs train ride first. Now, we wound up going to Pooh first because Pooh was very important to our party, but it ultimately doesn't matter which ones you go to, but just make sure you hit the ones that are the biggest priority for you first to make sure that you get to them. And then the last tip and the biggest tip that I demonstrated in the video is you can eat breakfast at any point. I would highly recommend getting in line for your favorite attraction that is not open during early morning magic at 9 a.m. And then ride for a half hour before the crowds really get big and the lines get large. For example, we really wanted to ride Space Mountain. It's not open during early morning magic, but we hightailed it over there and got there at 9 a.m. So we were able to ride that and Buzz Lightyear by 9:30 with no lines. So it's like we got 2 bonus rides. And then at 9:30, that's when I would eat your breakfast. So it made for a wonderful morning. As you can probably tell in the video, it was really hot, but would I recommend early morning magic? Is it worth the money that you have to spend? Because as of now, it's $79 on top of the ticket. I 100% would recommend. The next time I go to Disney, I'm going to do it again just because you just got so much done before anyone else got there. It was very leisurely, relaxing, and then you got a full unlimited breakfast attached to it as well. So lots of pros, really enjoyed it. And I hope that this video was helpful and that you decide to do early morning magic at the Magic Kingdom. So until next trip, see you guys.